Day 4 has arrived, and with it 4 calling birds. You're watching the 12 days of Christmas, day 4 of 12, 4 calling birds. Each gift in the carol layers meaning, blending seasonal cheer with a deeper religious symbolism. On the 4th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me 4 calling birds. Historically, the calling birds were referred to as collie birds, blackbirds common in England. Singing blackbirds symbolize joy, harmony, and the arrival of Christmastide. In Christian interpretation, the 4 calling birds represent the 4 Gospels of the New Testament, spreading the message of Jesus. In folklore, birds were often seen as messengers between heaven and earth, their songs carrying hope through long winter nights. Imagine their glossy black feathers shimmering in candlelight, the sweet calls echoing over snowy English gardens, the scent of pine and roasting chestnuts in the air. Join me tomorrow for the 5 gold rings and the story behind their gleam.